Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to get traffic to your website from Pinterest. Driving traffic from Pinterest involves creating high quality vertical pins, right? 2:3 aspect ratio, or you can go ahead and use Canva template, right? And select your design that showcase your website, and then hit the share button at the top right and hit download, right? You're going to be able to download the template and you can use it in Pinterest business account. If you don't know how to convert from personal to business account, all you gotta do is just go out to the Pinterest, hit the profile icon at the bottom right, hit the three dots at the top right, click settings, and then press the second option, account management. And inside, what you're gonna do, instead of personal account, you're gonna be able to convert to a business account. And you're gonna, of course, agree to the policy and everything. And once you converted your account, hit the plus button and create a new pin, right? Select the new design that you just downloaded, for example, right? Let's say I want to use, let's say not this one, not this one. Let's say I'm gonna use my own picture here, but you can add your own website photo, like the one that I just made in Canva. And then all you gotta do is just add the title, description, and add a link, right, to your website. So basically people can go and know where to find this product or service, right? And basically, yeah, use relevant keywords or tags in pin titles, descriptions, and board names to boost SEO. Make sure to pick up board so you can basically get traffic from the specific audience. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.